In this video, I want to show you how to reset your Eufy camera. So here I have the Eufy SoloCam A20 outdoor wireless camera, and to reset this camera, what you want to do is to first remove it from the base. So you want to reset your camera if it's not working properly, or maybe you want to remove all your settings and set it up newly. So to reset it, the first step is to remove this from the base. So you want to unscrew this camera out. So you want to hold it carefully and unscrew it out from the base where it's mounted. So the next thing you want to do is to get your phone. You want to get your phone where you have the Eufy app installed. So open the Eufy app on your phone. Alright, and I'll select the camera. Mine is right here. And I want to tap the three dots here and tap the settings icon. And now you want to scroll up. So where you have remove device, so you want to tap here to remove device. So that's how to reset your Eufy camera. So you want to tap remove device. Okay, tap remove. Okay, so that's it. That's how to reset your Eufy camera. I can see the device has been removed. So what you want to do next is to add it up again. So to do this, you want to tap add device or tap the plus icon here. So let's go add device. And now you want to select battery powered camera. So right here, battery camera. So you want to select your camera module here. This is the Eufy SoloCam A20/E40. So we have it down here. Okay, right here. Now you want to select if you're connecting to your router or to home base or the home base professional. In my case, I'm connecting to my router, so select connect to router. So here you want to select your Wi-Fi and enter your password. Okay, and make sure you're on the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. So select next. Now get your camera. So what you want to do is to press the sync button here for 2 seconds. Press and hold it. Okay, now tap next. Okay, so the next step is to scan the QR code. So you want to get your phone and now your camera. So you want to place this about 20 cm away from your phone to scan the QR code. So let's go. Alright.
Connecting to the Wi-Fi network. Please wait.
I can tap next. It's connecting.
Setup was successful.
Okay, that's it. Tap next. Select what you want to select here and tap next. Okay. Next. Alright, so that's how to reset your Eufy camera and set it up again. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.